guys, what's up and welcome back to our YouTube channel na naman. Ayan, and ang pag-uusapan naman natin ngayon ay yung Acapulco leaves. Ayan, yung 3 super benefits of Acapulco leaves. Sabi nga dito, also known as Cassia alata or ringworm bush, ayan, are widely recognized for their medicinal properties daw. Here are 3 super benefits of Acapulco leaves. Ayan, so number 1, ayan, is yung antifungal properties. Ayan, antifungal. Sabi dito, Acapulco leaves contain bioactive compounds that exhibit strong antifungal properties. These properties make Acapulco leaves effective in treating fungal infections, such as ringworm, athlete's foot, and other skin condition caused by fungi. The leaves can be used topically as a natural remedy to help alleviate fungal infections and promote healing. So, ang ganda ng epekto niya, no? Yung unang epekto niya, antifungal. So, kung meron kayong mga problema sa balat dyan, ayan, Acapulco leaves ang kailangan nyo. Ayun. And number 2, ayan, is yung antimicrobial and antibacterial effects. Diba? Antimicrobial and antibacterial effects. Acapulco leaves possess antimicrobial and antibacterial properties that can help combat various bacteria infections daw. The bioactive compounds in the leaves have been shown to inhibit the growth of bacteria, making Acapulco leaves a potential natural treatment for bacteria skin infections, wounds, and other microbial related conditions. So alam niyo na, para siyang ano, ang tawag dito, yung dahon ng bayabas, parang gano'n, di ba? Antibacterial, gano'n, antifungal, bla bla bla, gano'n. Para siyang gano'n. So, pwede rin natin gamitin yung Acapulco leaves. So, number 3, ayan, is sabi dito yung anti-inflammatory and analgesic benefits nga po. Sabi dito, Acapulco leaves have anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties that can help reduce inflammation and alleviate pain. Ayan, these properties make Acapulco leaves useful in managing conditions such as arthritis, guys, arthritis, muscle pain, and other inflammatory disorders. By reducing inflammation and pain, Acapulco leaves may contribute to overall pain relief and improve comfort nga daw. Sabi pa dito, while Acapulco leaves offer these benefits, it is important to note that individual responses may vary and it is advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before using Acapulco leaves for medicinal purposes. Additionally, proper dosage and administration guidelines should be followed to ensure safe and effective use of Acapulco leaves as a natural remedy. Ayun. So, meron naman tayong mga doctors din na mga natural, yung mga pinopromote nila, such as, alam naman na si Dr. Ong, isa na rin dyan, ano? Parang mga ganyan, magpakonsulta din tayo sa mga ganong klase ng doktor. And make sure lang talaga na mga ganong doktor din talaga, yung mga mapagkakatulaan talaga natin, yung mga, ayun, basta. Ay, no comment na. Pero yun guys, yun yung 3 super benefits nga po na Acapulco leaves. Ayun. So, kung nagustuhan nyo nga itong vlog natin, mag-comment, mag-like at mag-subscribe na nga po kayo. Hit na po yung notification bell at sana ay may natutunan po kayo at sana naman ay panoorin nyo rin yung ibang mga videos ko dito dahil marami kayong mapapanood na useful, and of course nagre-review din tayo ng mga gadgets or mga binibili natin kung worth it nga ba siyang bilhin or hindi, and kung gusto nyo nga po na magkaroon ng 30% discount sa Shopee, ayan, a voucher discount sa Shopee, mag-comment lang po kayo dyan, ayan, and yung produkto na gusto nyo or store na bibilan nyo ng produkto na yun, tapos gawan natin ng 30% discount para naman ma-discountan kayo. So yun lang, maraming salamat, God bless, ingat po kayo palagi, and see you again sa another vlog po natin. Thank you, bye bye!